Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, like this video and share if you find it useful. Okay, without wasting much time, in this video I'll be showing you how to retouch your image, how to clear the skin of your model or anybody you're using. The lady in this video, her skin is nice, but if you zoom in you see that it needs more retouching. We have to give her a clear skin. So the first thing I'll be doing, I'll be removing those visible acne on the skin. I'll go to the remove and select the size I want. Okay, as you can see, I'm removing the visible ones. You remove the visible ones, the ones that are visible. Okay, I don't like this one there too. Okay, as you can see, I'm just selecting the visible ones. You can take your time, do this, but I'll be okay. I think this is fine, this is okay. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing, I'll go to my mask, I'll click on my add, then I'll add my brush. Increase the size a little, increase the feather. No, I would decrease the feather a little. Then my flow, increase my flow a little because I want it to be very smooth. I want it to be very, very smooth, so I'll increase the flow. So let me show you. You just rub on the skin, don't please avoid the eyes. Don't rub on the eyes, just on the skin. Take your time. I have successfully selected face. You select the face, avoid the eyes, avoid the lips. So once you're done, the next thing, you go to your effects. You reduce your texture. As you can see, this is before. Once you're reducing your texture, take it all the way down. Depends on your preference. If you don't want it to be too clear, like if you don't want it to be too much, you can leave it here, but I love taking it all the way down. Then you go to your clarity, you reduce your clarity. If you take it too much, it look odd, but it depends on your preference. Like I said, you can take it. I'll leave it here. I'll leave it in the middle. Yeah, I love how it's looking. So the next thing, you go to your color. It's not a must. Like I said, your preference. I love adding a little bit of temperature. If the person is dark, I'll reduce it a little. I'll add a cool temperature. But if the person is light, I'll make it warm to make the skin pop. Add warm to the skin to make the skin pop. Then add a little bit of tint to make her color come out more. Then increase the temperature, increase the exposure a little, the light. So this is what I do most of the time. So as you can see, this is before and this is after. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video and share the video, and make sure you hit the notification button because I will be dropping more videos, more banger. Please support me. Please don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you and see you in the next video.